What if the universe started messy instead of organized? What if everything began already mixed up, spread out, and chaotic? Would stars ever form? Would time even move forward? Would we even exist? In the next few minutes, I'll explain this huge cosmic mystery in the simplest way possible. So simple, even a 10-year-old could understand it. But before we bend the universe inside out, subscribe to Thinkverse. It costs nothing, but it gives me the inspiration to create more mind-bending ideas just like this. Now let's rewind 13.8 billion years. Scientists believe our universe began about 13.8 billion years ago in an extremely hot, dense, and surprisingly ordered state. Even though everything was squeezed into a tiny region, it had very low entropy, meaning it was highly organized. And because it started organized, entropy has been increasing ever since. That steady increase is what gives us the flow of time, the formation of stars, the growth of galaxies, and the existence of life. It's why eggs break, but never unbreak. Why ice melts, but doesn't spontaneously refreeze in your hand. Entropy. Increasing equals time moving forward. Let's change one thing. Instead of starting neat and ordered, the universe begins in maximum disorder, completely scrambled, energy evenly spread everywhere. No clumps, no patterns, no structure, just uniform chaos. What happens? Stars form because gravity pulls slightly denser areas of gas together. Even a tiny unevenness is enough to eventually create galaxies. But in a high entropy beginning, there are no uneven spots. Everything is already evenly spread. No clumps equals no gravity wells, which means no stars, no planets, no galaxies, no black holes. Just a dull, lukewarm fog stretching forever. Time feels like it moves forward because entropy increases. But if entropy started at maximum, it can't increase anymore. There's no direction left. Imagine a fully shuffled deck of cards. You can shuffle it more, but it won't become more random in any meaningful way. So in a high entropy universe, there's no clear before and after. Time might exist mathematically, but it wouldn't feel like anything. Life depends on energy differences. For example, the sun is hot and space is cold. That temperature difference drives life on Earth. But in a high entropy universe, everything would already be the same temperature. No gradients, no energy flow, no chemistry building complexity. Life requires imbalance. A fully balanced universe is biologically silent. Let's compare our universe today. Contains about 2 trillion galaxies. Each galaxy has up to 100 to 400 billion stars. Entropy still increasing. Heat death estimated in about 100 years. High entropy at start universe. 0 galaxies, 0 stars, 0 planetary systems. No long-term structure formation. It would look almost the same everywhere, forever. Is there any advantage? Yes, stability. A high entropy universe would be extremely calm. No supernova explosions, no gamma ray bursts, no collapsing stars. It would be peaceful, but also completely empty of meaning or complexity. The con is enormous. No structure, no change, no story, no life. In other words, no Thinkverse, no you, no question being asked right now. Here's the real cosmic puzzle. Why did our universe start in such a special low entropy state? Physicists estimate that the odds of such a low entropy beginning are astronomically tiny. Yet here we are. The reason we have stars, planets, oceans, and consciousness is because the universe began imperfectly balanced. It began ordered enough to allow change. And change allows complexity. And complexity allows life. Entropy is not the enemy, it's the storyteller. So ask yourself, if everything began perfectly chaotic, would you even be here to wonder about it? If this stretched your imagination, wait until our next short. What if the sun suddenly vanished and the solar system was plunged into immediate darkness? We'll explore the 8 minutes of normal sunlight before we notice, Earth's temperature dropping below freezing in days, and what happens to gravity when the sun disappears. That's coming very soon. And if you want more universe-breaking ideas within the next few days, make sure you're subscribed.